Hi everyone, I'm Tara and welcome to my channel Discovering Vegan Food. Now usually in the morning I will have something very comforting like maybe tofu scramble, or maybe I'll have a breaded tofu sandwich with some sun-dried tomato and some avocado. But on days when you actually have a nice day, which isn't very often here in Ireland, so when it's a little bit warm in the morning, what I like to do is have a fruits / charcuterie board. So let's have a look at what I made. So here's our fruit charcuterie board. This is just for the two of us. As you can see, I've got some banana, some sun-dried tomato, avocado, strawberries, kiwi, some fresh baguette, some crackers. I've also got some walnuts, some hummus, some tomatoes, olives, carrots, celery, and finally I've got some pickles. You can put anything else that you want on here. And breakfast is served. Yummy. I'm going to enjoy this. Now that it's lunchtime, what I'm going to have is a chickpea omelette. That's going to be with mushroom, red pepper, tomatoes, and spinach. So let's go.